Hello and welcome to our comprehensive video guide on how to do squat, 10 benefit of doing squat daily and what will be happen if you do squat daily. Squat are one of the most fundamental exercise for building strength in your lower body. In this video we will teach you how to do squat correctly, discuss the benefit of doing squat daily and explore the science behind this exercise. The basics of squat. Before you start doing squats, it's essential to have the correct form. There are a few things to keep in mind to ensure that you get the most out of this exercise while minimizing the risk of injury. Step number 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, with your toes pointed slightly outwards. Step 2. Keep your chest up and back straight. Step 3. Lower your hips down towards the ground while keeping your knees over your toes. Step 4. Keep your weight on your heels and your core engaged. Step 5. Push through your heels to return to standing position. It's essential to start with proper form and gradually increase the number of repetitions as you get stronger. Remember always to listen to your body, and if you feel any pain or discomfort, stop immediately. Next, what will be happen if you do squat daily? Squats are an excellent exercise to incorporate into your daily workout routine. They provide numerous benefits for your overall health and fitness. Let's explore the 10 benefits of doing squat daily in detail. Benefit number 1. Squat help to strengthen your lower body muscles including your glutes, hamstrings and quadriceps. Squats work a large number of muscles in your lower body, simultaneously making them one of the most efficient exercise for building strength. The glutes, hamstring and quadriceps are the primary muscles targeted during squats. By performing squats regularly, you can expect to see an increase in muscle size, strength and tone in these areas. Benefit number 2. They can help to increase your overall strength and endurance. Squats are a full body exercise that engage multiple muscles groups simultaneously. While doing squats daily, you can improve your overall strength and endurance, making it easier to perform everyday activities with greater ease and comfort. Benefit number 3. Squat can help to improve your posture and balance. While strengthening your lower body muscles, squat can help to improve your posture and balance. Good posture and balance are essential for preventing injury and maintaining good overall health. Benefit number 4. They can help to burn calories and promote weight loss. Squats are a compound exercise that requires a lot of energy to perform. While doing squats daily, you can burn a significant number of calories, which can help you achieve your weight loss goal. Benefit number 5. Squats can help to increase your bone density and reduce your risk of osteoporosis. Squats are a weight-bearing exercise that puts stress on your bones, which helps to increase bone density. While doing squats daily, you can help reduce your risk of osteoporosis, a condition that causes bones to become weak and brittle. Benefit number 6. They can improve your flexibility and range of motion. Squats require a good range of motion in your hips, knees and ankles. While doing squats daily, you can improve your flexibility and range of motion, making it easier to perform other exercise and activities. Benefit number 7. Squats can improve your cardiovascular health and lower your risk of heart disease. Squats are a cardiovascular exercise that increases your heart rate and blood flow. By doing squats daily, you can improve your cardiovascular health, reduce your risk of heart disease and improve your overall well-being. Benefit number 8. They can help to reduce your risk of injury and strengthen your joint. While improving your lower body strength, squats can help to reduce your risk of injury, particularly in your knees and hips. They can also help to strengthen your joints, making them more resistant to wear and tear over time. Benefit number 9. Squats can help to improve your aesthetic performance. Squats are a functional exercise that mimics movements used in many sports, making them an excellent way to improve your athletic performance. While doing squats daily, you can increase your explosive power, speed and agility. Benefit number 10. Squats can help to improve your mental health and well-being. Exercise in general has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health and well-being, and squats are no exception. While doing squats daily, you can improve your mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and boost your overall sense of well-being. And now I tell you tips for incorporating squats into your daily routine. Here are a few tips for incorporating squats into your daily routine. Number 1. Start slowly and gradually increase number of repetitions. Number 2. Make sure to warm up before doing squats to prevent injury. Number 3. Use proper form and technique to maximize the benefits of the exercise. Number 4. Combine squats with other exercises to create a full body workout. Number 5. Consider using weights or resistance bands to increase the intensity of your squats. Squats are a versatile exercise that provides numerous benefits for your overall health and well-being. By doing squats daily, you can improve your strength, endurance, flexibility, and balance, reduce your risk of injury, and boost your mental health and well-being. We hope that this comprehensive guide has helped you learn how to do squats correctly and provided you with the motivation to incorporate them into your daily workout routine. Remember to always listen to your body, and if you have any concerns or questions, consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching and happy squatting.